All right, everyone, let's talk about a sneaky culprit lurking in our kitchens, Listeria. It might sound like a character from a fantasy novel, but this bacteria is a real threat, especially for pregnant women, older adults, and those with weakened immune systems. Just a few months ago, we saw a nasty Listeria outbreak linked to queso fresco and cotija cheese. Remember those delicious crumbles on your tacos or salads? Well, for some folks, they turned into a recipe for disaster. Imagine Sarah expecting her first child. Craving some authentic flavors, she enjoys a salad topped with queso fresco. A few days later, she starts feeling flu-like symptoms: fever, chills, muscle aches. What seems like a regular bug takes a terrifying turn when she learns it's Listeria. This can be devastating for pregnant women, potentially leading to miscarriage, stillbirth, or serious illness in newborns. Thankfully, Listeria cases are relatively rare, but they can be severe. So how do we identify this villain and keep it off our plates? Listeriosis is a foodborne illness caused by contaminated food. The tricky part? Listeria can thrive in cold environments, unlike most bacteria that get killed by cooking. This means culprits like deli meats, soft cheeses, unpasteurized milk, and even pre-cut fruits and vegetables can harbor this nasty bug. Now the good news. By being a savvy food detective, you can significantly reduce your risk. Here's your food safety toolkit. Shop smart. Choose fresh, properly refrigerated foods. Avoid pre-cut options and deli meats whenever possible. Cook it right. For foods that can be cooked through, like hot dogs, reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius, to kill any lurking Listeria. Clean meticulously. Wash your hands, cutting boards, and utensils thoroughly before and after handling food. Refrigerate promptly. Don't let leftovers linger at room temperature. Refrigerate them within 2 hours. Be extra cautious. If you're pregnant, elderly, or have a weakened immune system, talk to your doctor about additional precautions. Remember, a little vigilance goes a long way. By following these tips, you can enjoy your favorite foods with peace of mind.